أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فلاقتحم العقبة وما أدراك ما العقبة فك رقبة أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة يتيما ذا مقربة أو مسكينا ذا متربة ثم كان من الذين آمنوا وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة أولئك أصحاب الميمنة والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة عليهم نار مؤصدة صدق الله العظيم. Ladies and gentlemen, I recited few verses from the Holy Scripture that is known as Quran. And I would like to share with you the great message of God that has been given through these ayat. Basically, the message is that Islam or Muslim people, they are not only for the Muslims, but Islam is for all the humanity. Whenever the time of the crisis comes to any people, to any nation, to any those who are oppressed, Islam is supporting all those oppressed people. You know the word, the very first word in these verses of the Quran was Aqaba. Allah or God, He says, why don't you tackle the obstacle? Aqaba is the obstacle. For example, if you are hiking on the mountain, you have so many obstacles on the steep way, and then you're trying to remove those obstacles. That is called Aqaba. So Allah is trying to make us realize what is the obstacles for the humanity, for the human beings. So He is saying the biggest obstacle for the human beings, if any time, in any part of the land, in any region of the world, people are living under the oppression, people are living under any kind of injustice and wrongdoing. They are deprived of their freedom, the freedom that was given to them by their Creator as the first basic human right. So all you as the human beings, go for them, support for them, and free all those people who are under any kind of oppression. And that's why we are here today. My brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, let me remind you, and I would like to take this opportunity, that people, they think Islam is only 5 prayers a day, or fasting, or as we know, 5 pillars of Islam. But believe me, these verses, when they came in the beginning days of the Islam, when the prayer was not made obligatory, when the fasting was not there, when any other pillars of Islam were not there. The very basic teaching of Islam, that God has given us as the Muslim to serve the humanity, to serve the people, to serve all the Muslim people. So that's what the message of God is, and we are here. I swear by God, if they would not be the children of Syria, if they would not be the Muslim, you will see the Muslim every time for support of any kind of humanity, for any people of the world, that we are all with the Muslim people. That is the message of Islam. That is the commandment of God that we have been following here as the Muslim people. May Allah reward everyone. Ameen.
Thank you.